Good morning. It's the 17th of September 2021, and welcome to the Storm morning meeting. Just to discuss, I think quite a lot on our market happened yesterday. Obviously, being futures closeout, some really decent volumes around, and actually one or two good opportunities. So just to look to today, obviously, our market is at the moment sort of positioning with the weaker rand in mind. We've got the rand at 14.56 this morning, breaking out a little bit of that 14.30. So sort of the market positioning for that, and it's been quite difficult because obviously the commodity space has not been where a lot of guys can hide their money in dual listed. So looking to that, I think we're going to look to see what where we can put money in terms of the dual listers, and I suppose you saw Naspers process really trade quite well yesterday, and so I think we're going to be looking at that this morning. Also, there's a massive rebalance in the auction today, so definitely be watching those two stocks closely. I'm going to go through them now. And just to look for the day, I think we still got that dollar that's quite a lot stronger. You've got S&P's up about 25 points since our close. Just look quickly, briefly at how things are around Asia. You've got Asia's up pretty decently. China's up 0.5%. You've got gold price a little bit stronger. Copper a little bit stronger. Tencent up 2%. Billiton's down 4%. And all in all, market looks all right for a little bit of a bounce after taking quite a decent smack yesterday. So looking to our morning ideas, the first one will be Naspers. I think Naspers is one that is a buy in the rebalance. Obviously, don't trade on that, but I do think that this one did hold really well yesterday. Some levels of interest, 2,418 and 2,487 are sort of two levels. If you can get above those or retest those are some interesting levels where we would be watching quite closely. Next one is BTI. I think because guys can't really hide money in some of the commodity spaces at the moment, I think this isn't one, and also CFR is also one that you really don't have with this week around and sort of the China clampdown. So BTI is just a quick idea. I'll be looking at an entry around 530, 535 with a target of 554 to retest its 200-day. You can see it's been in quite a range for the last couple of months. That's one of our ideas. The next one is, obviously, yes, there was a complete rout in the gold price and PGM space, but Sibanye came out with some positive, I think, so a decent acquisition that wasn't too big. I don't think it's too big to threaten the share price. They're making some quite careful acquisitions, and I think I read one or two notes. So this stock has obviously been absolutely battered. So I think we need to still be patient in it, but I think when it does turn, there will be a decent snapback. So just to keep in mind, 50.83 sort of a level of resistance and 54.38. But I would be watching Sibanye this morning, maybe for a quick snapback also. You've got Impala's, that is last day to trade next week, Monday. This 172 area is also decent support. Another one that sort of really has been belted. Not looking to put it on a long-term long here, but might be a decent snap this morning. And then finally, AVI came out with a cautionary yesterday. It's been trading in this channel for the last 6 months or so. So let's see if we can get above 78.50 and hold. If we can get above there, the stock can get to 82 and 88 quite quickly. I wouldn't, I think it's quite a fast trade, so maybe just have a look there. And lastly, I think, let's keep an eye on Aspen Pharmaceuticals, just to stay in line with how, Moderna and all the other Johnson & Johnson, they're all really, really trading well. So I'd be keeping an eye on here. Obviously, the move has been drastic. 221, sort of a level of support if we do get a pullback there. Maybe a little bit of consolidation and digestion, but I do think we've got a high target of 250 on the stock. So, let's maybe watch this. It's also last day to trade on Monday. All right, those are ideas for the day. Good luck.